Greetings to the world from the Berrystrip Smallholding Homestead, Cornwall, UK. Hello, I'm Jason. Please subscribe to our channel and please check out our website. We are going down to feed and water the livestock. Hungry ponies. So feed Meringue first, otherwise they'll kick up. And now Chocolate thinks you're not going to feed her, so then you've got to go back. So she goes, where's mine? There you go, and that's hers. Right. So that's Meringue, and that's Chocolate. Right, and everybody's saying where's their food.
Don't say where's their food.
Alright then, you're going to crack on. No wonder they love you guys.
Right.
For a minute, that kind of got overlooked. Thought I'd done that. Alright, that'll keep them busy for a minute.
Yep.
Have to get the drinker in a second. Merlin and Co. Merlin's looking a bit better. He wants to wet around the edges. When they're soaking wet, sometimes you can't tell which is the rooster, but he's quite a bit bigger. And when his comb is, when he's dry, you can see him a bit.
Yeah. Doesn't help when stir.
You're
gonna very puffy female.
Right, you're gonna get that drinker in it.
Yeah.
We'll work on the others in a minute. That kind of went back to front, but okay. Not sure if there will be any eggs or not. Mind the stinging nettles, like your butt.
No eggs.
No, none of them have been laying lately.
Any eggs or berries?
I think they're having a break from laying. They come out of here.
Love you guys.
Emerald and a free companion ducks.
Storm, cherry blossom, and coconut.
Yeah. Hear that? Storm, cherry blossom, and coconut. That's a lot of racket. You make that much noise, you think there's like 300 of you rather than just 3. You just want to check in case there are any eggs. About. I'm not really expecting any right now, but.
One time they lay the egg like right here.
Yeah. Sometimes you find them in the strangest of places. And the daughter disappeared, never to be seen again. Oh, I thought you went to lay an egg. Right, you bring their drinker out, bring that out. And then we're going to have to get the water done. I'll do this up a minute. Let's keep that done. And then we're going to go and do the water. Right, getting the water in done. It's bad enough to do it. We got 2 hands, we're not doing it with one hand, the camera in one hand, and try and do that in the other hand.
Here.
You okay? It's nothing.
No, I'm not stuck in the cobweb.
Oh.
I'll pull it up.
There you go, all done. The only problem, worst thing is, it goes and falls down where you do it, and it goes and falls down. And yeah. I got the stopper here on the pallet. There you go, we're done. That push down.
Yeah.
Don't forget the water will work against it. It can bring it all the way out again.
Okay, I get this to the minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
Water? I'm putting these a rattling. Right, that's done.
Yeah, that's done.
Alright then, so they've got water. Going this way. You got any spare water in the bucket? No. Oh, okay.
Used it up.
Wow. That was a bit hair raising. Might want to rattle the water around a bit and just drain off the dirty water. Because the that grey tray. Yeah, just tip it sideways. All the dirty water should come out and make it a bit cleaner. There you go. This is Merlin and Co. Merlin, here's 5 wives and 3 ducks.
Hey.
He's the rooster that's pushing his luck. I'm going to go at my daughter's coat.
They got that one.
Well, I'm sure they're going to town on that water.
Yeah.
Right then, 10% of the kids. Which names the girls are called Potion and Curl, and the boys are called Speckle, Navajo and Apache. Not that I can tell one from the other with the boys.
I'll have a drink of water. Well, this one here is Apache.
So Potion is the lighter hen. Yes?
Yep.
Potion's this one, the lighter hen. And Curl is the darker hen.
Yep. And then the mother is the even darker
That's
hen.
Tempest herself. So she's their mum.
Yep.
And the 3 boys, Speckle, Navajo and Apache.
This one here is Apache.
That's
This
Apache.
is speckled.
That's Speckle in the
That's
middle.
Navajo.
And that's Navajo.
'Cause
Okay.
Apache doesn't have those speckles on
Yeah,
his neck.
I can't I can't tell them apart.
They also have kind of like different hairdos. Like Speckles doesn't really have a hairdo. And then
Alright,
Navajo and
okay.
Apache do have a bit of a hairdo.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Hello?
And then there, that one's pushing its luck.
Bad.
Chase a chicken. I go to pick them up, then they don't care for it then. Right, so I'm going to get the blue flexi tub, as you do. And go and do the ponies water. You lot are very busy, aren't you? As they fall out amongst themselves. Again! Yeah, that's gone darker. Or to me it has. It's been up there and gone down, so I think some of it will still be the well water. Did I say spring water? I meant well water. And going from there, so it has been above 600. Has been above 600 and come down again. And you saw me in the previous video, and I always invite people to look at our previous videos. I'm going to put that there a second. I'll do that in a bit.
Or dragonfly, not firefly.
Dragonfly. Okay. Lots of poo that needs shoveling up. Tip the water out. Put it down there. And start all over again. I think the first time I did it, when I actually filmed my boots, it was actually soaking wet, so it didn't really make any difference to anybody seeing me, but it didn't feel so good having your boots sealed, and soaking wet socks ain't good at the best of times. Right, There we go. Ooh. Not too bad. We've got not had much worse than that. Sorry to all those people who got weak bladders, so this makes you want to go for a wee. But I know the feeling. Yes, you can see the different colour in this. So that's definitely rainwater that's gone in there. Because the water is green. The water system is supposed to work just by rainwater. That's what it was set up for. But obviously, when you have it really dry, and I've actually lost count how many times it's been refilled this year. Alone had a very dry April, and then recently had very dry weather. So that poured in there instead of it pouring all out over me. Then I go at this. Ooh, okay, I really thought I wasn't. I thought that was going to backfire on me then. I thought I really was going to fill my boots. I've just tipped that almost everywhere. Goes on, but what we have a tendency to do is have the flexi tub, a blue one like this at the back. That's why sometimes in the videos we say, oh, I'll get some water from behind the pony dome. We're not collecting it from the bath. That would totally defeat the object. We collect it from the flexi tub that's behind. A little bit, well, debatable whether I got it just right or a little bit too much, but anyway. Here it's done. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, help the grass grow. So we've still got the ponies here. Well, there is a bit something to eat rather than being put up. And they'd have to be moved and removed. Alright, sorry, she didn't do that on purpose. It's just one of those things. I wasn't aware that you were going to go to the feeder. But, right. There you go. Right. I'm going to go up over the electric fancy, as we do. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes. You're over as well?
Yep. Actually, I went for the middle of the air.
Well, okay. Alright. You're slightly smaller than me. I think that's fine. So that's everybody, livestock wise.
You've got a little ducky. He's drinking the water under the pallet.
Yeah.
No.
That's the funny things. Chickens are funny things. Peahen, something different. And ponies are monkeys. All to themselves. Right, so I'm going to put this away. Lester's going to put those next to the pony dome. This is what I mean about the pony dome. So this is like a storage shed, and it's got the guttering on this side. That makes the water go in to the bath behind, and the other side doesn't link. I suppose you need another bit of guttering just to link up at the back, and we haven't done that much. Although the pony dome isn't holding together as well as we might like. So I need to take, that's the bath there that I'm referring to. It's like a mesh on the top of it. Try and keep leaves down. I did cut behind here the other day, and as much as you cut behind there, everything grows back. Everything you don't want grows, but if there's something you wanted. Apparently these are pansy seeds. Yes, I want to say poppy seeds, but these are officially the pansy seeds. Yeah. So I've been put in this flexi tub, which is a spare one. This is what the view is looking like right now. And ponies. Peahen there somewhere with her ducks. Emperor with a companion of ducks. Merlin and Co. And Tempest and the kids. So that's feeding done. There we go. Thank you to the berry ones for subscribing to our website. This is the Berrystrip Smallholding Homestead, Cornwall, UK. I am Jason, here with my daughter. Thank you for having us.
Bye.